and welcome to my first video. Yeah, I had to put that because I'm tired. I just got out of work, so I don't sound that excited, but I am very excited to actually do this video. I've been saying I'm going to be doing this video forever, so I don't know, I just said, you know what, let's just record it and whatever happens happens. So here you guys go. So yeah, for this video I'm gonna be showing you my trip to Vegas. I went last weekend and I actually had a lot of fun. I'm gonna be showing you the pool parties I attended. Well, just one pool party. I'm gonna show you the pool parties I attended, the helicopter ride through the Grand Canyon, actually really fun. And then yes, I'm one of those weird people that goes to EDC, so I'm gonna be showing you just a little bit also of what happened in EDC. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Also, I'm not used to getting recorded or recording myself all the time, so I just did a bunch of little clips and put them together. This is the first video, right? I'm fine. Just enjoy. Also guys, I wanted to tell you the purpose that I'm actually doing these videos. So the first purpose I'm doing this video is because I'm tired of hearing people saying that they don't have enough money or they don't have enough time to go out. I'm here to show you that you can have a blast and you can do a lot of things for way cheaper than you guys think. So in the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you guys some prices and where did I find the activities I did, so you guys can enjoy it also, okay? Look at this amazing meal. Finally finished the helicopter ride. It was amazing, super fun. Y ahora a comer. and as promised, I'm going to be showing you the prices of all the activities we did in this video. We're going to be starting with the helicopter ride. For the helicopter ride, I looked absolutely everywhere for the best prices, and the best website I found is at journalin.com. In this package, it includes a pickup and drop off from your hotel. It also includes a complimentary snacks and complimentary drinks, because who doesn't want to drink champagne while looking at the Grand Canyon? Definitely me. So yeah, trust me when I say I looked absolutely everywhere for the best prices. I know it might seem a little bit high when it comes to the price, but it's worth every single penny. Trust me, this is an experience you're gonna remember for the rest of your life, and it's something that you will not regret doing. Also, when it comes to the pool parties, what I did, I actually bought the tickets back in January, but then I found out when I went to Vegas, I really shouldn't have even bought the tickets. Once you go to Vegas, you're going to see promoters absolutely everywhere offering you different events, offering you pool parties, offering you to go to the clubs for free. But I wasn't really aware of that, so I bought the tickets back in January. But now you have the heads up, look for promoters and you will go in for a lot of events for free. So for EDC, I looked everywhere, but unfortunately when it comes to music festivals, there's really no way of paying less for a ticket. So what I did is I actually bought the tickets back in October and did a payment plan and paid it little by little. It's still the same price, but at least you don't feel it as much because you're not paying it all in once. And honestly, that's what I recommend if you want to save some money. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe. And if you do subscribe, see you next Sunday.